Hey guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog. This is Hamza. I hope you guys are crushing it in life. I hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, by popular demand, I'm going to be talking about real estate investing and the Biden presidency. And for those of you who've been wondering why I've been walking and filming these videos, it is because my studio is currently under construction. I will have a studio very soon, but until then, I'm going to have to walk and talk. With that being said, if you guys are enjoying the content, please remember to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and consider subscribing to my channel if you guys are finding some value in the content that I put out there. And now with all of that out of the way, let's start covering today's topic, the Biden presidency and how to correctly invest in real estate. Now, in some of my previous videos, I have talked about how a Trump presidency could affect real estate investing and how a Biden presidency would possibly affect real estate. But now that it's confirmed that we have a new president, I want to go and double down on why I believe this is the best investment strategy. And for those of you who are interested in investing in real estate, this is exactly where you guys need to be looking. Now, we know that Biden's policies are geared towards the lower and middle class, meaning lower income and middle class income people of the United States. Now, we know that when it comes to some of Biden's policies, he's in favor of certain asset classes and certain income classes, and I want to discuss exactly that in today's video. So if you guys want to get started in investing in real estate and have been thinking about it for a long time, I'm here to tell you that this is probably the perfect time to start investing using this formula. And I don't think I've seen this formula being put out there for free, so this is really valuable content for those of you guys who are really interested in investing. Now, it's called the 3-2-1 formula, and it's a very simple investing strategy, and it is excellent for people who are beginners and just starting off in real estate investing. So by now, I bet you guys are wondering what this 3-2-1 formula is, and I'm going to tell you that in exactly a second. Okay, 1 second's over. 3 means 3 bedrooms, 2 means 2 bathrooms, 1 means single story. It's as simple as that. So you guys basically need to start investing in starter homes in suburban areas around your cities. And the reason I say that is that people have already started moving out of the cities into the suburbs. They're moving out of tight spaces and they want more space and more freedom for them and their children. And this, with the benefit of low interest rates, has skyrocketed the price of homes in these suburban areas. I know that where I live, here in Houston, Texas, it is basically impossible to find starter homes that are 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single story for below $250,000. And even if you end up finding these homes for a cheap price, guess what? There's going to be a lot of work that you're going to have to put in to bring these houses up to today's standards. Now, whether those be repairs or rehabs, you're still going to have to put in the time and the money to get those done. And I think for those of you who have been sitting on the sidelines, this is the time to begin. With interest rates being very low and Biden's policies now being very advantageous to people who are looking to invest in starter homes or buy starter homes, I think it is a perfect time to jump in and seize the opportunity and buy these lower valued homes because they have a few advantages. And let me list just a few. Now, when it comes to investing in starter homes, I always say buy single story over double story. There's just less problems, less maintenance, and if you guys are renting these homes out, that's what you want. You want a home that's going to have less issues and that is going to be convenient for your tenant. Data here in Houston also shows that these 3-2-1 homes are in higher demand than anything else out there, as people moving out of multifamily apartment communities are moving into these 3-2-1 homes first. Now, what does that mean? Usually, people who move out of the apartment communities are moving into 3-bed, 2-bath, single story, and then after a couple of years of staying in those type of homes are moving and upgrading into 4-bed, 2-story homes. And this creates a guaranteed demand for the 3-2-1 product, which is why I'm a true believer in this 3-2-1 formula. And I bet a lot of you are wondering, why am I so focused on this 3-2-1 home? A 3-2-1 home is a home that is guaranteed to cash flow even after you pay your mortgage. It is the simplest way and the easiest entry point into real estate investing. And this is simply because with 20% down into these homes, they are guaranteed to positive cash flow. Now, of course, I am talking about my city in specific, but this formula can be mimicked in most states around the country, except for most parts of California and some parts of New York. This formula has been used by seasoned investors for decades, and they have absolutely crushed it. But now I feel like it is even better because the interest rates are so low and the Biden policies are so favorable towards single-family homes and the burbs that I really think for those of you sitting on the sidelines, this is the perfect opportunity to jump in and start investing. In fact, I think over the next few years, we're going to see a huge amount of institutional equity move into the single-family space and absorb these 3-to-1 homes. And by that, I mean there's going to be big companies that start buying hundreds of these homes all over the nation just to be able to rent them to tenants because they are in such high demand. And remember guys, I'm doing a giveaway on the channel once I hit 2,000 subscribers, where I'm gonna spend 45 minutes with one of you giving you guys advice and coaching advice on how you can start investing in real estate. We're gonna be talking about your personal circumstance, how much money you have, how much time you have, how much you want to invest in real estate. And I think by the time this video gets out there, I'm probably going to be at 2,000 subscribers, which means my next video is going to be about the giveaway. That's it for me. I'll see you guys next video.